Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Secure Pro and its beneficial ownership information reporting solution. During this demo, I will provide an overview of the Secure Pro platform, show how easy it is to use, and highlight some key capabilities that will assist you with upcoming filings. Jumping right in, when you first log in, you'll land on the dashboard, where you can instantly view the status of all of your entities. On the left-hand side of the screen is the Quick Start menu. Here is where you will begin setting up your account. It will introduce to you users, groups, and setting up an entity. You can also enable multi-factor authentication. Transitioning over to the Users tab. This is where you can invite users from your organization so that you can work through BOI compliance together. There are 3 roles: admin, filer, and preparers, each with different permissions. In groups, you can organize all of your entities however you choose. Maybe you want to organize it by client or by office. You can move entities between groups and choose the users that can see that group, including its entities and owners. You can create a new entity in the dashboard or in the Entities tab here in the right-hand corner. In the Manage Entity screen, you can enter information about the reporting company, such as the legal name, any DBAs, tax ID type, and EIN, for example. On the right-hand side, you can enter due dates and assign entities to existing groups. You can set the status of a report, and you can record any notes, including maybe a client number. You can assign users that will be working on the entities. All of these fields are searchable in the Entities tab. Notice the audit log here at the bottom of the screen. Anytime there is a change to information in the entity, there is a record of it. You can see the user that made the change, and there's a date and timestamp. The audit log will also capture reports sent for review and certification and when they are filed. If you continue down the page, you will see the section where you can enter beneficial owners and company applicants. When I select Add Owner, I will be prompted with the required information for the individual. The toggle here at the top is for auto collection. If you don't have certain information about the owner, such as their driver's license number and an image, you can securely collect this information by entering the owner's first and last name and their email address. They will receive an email where they can securely submit any information not entered about them or provide their FinCEN identifier. You can also batch send these auto collection emails here. All of our data is encrypted in transit and at rest. And collection emails are a one-way process, meaning if someone were to hack into the owner's email and click on the upload link, they would not be able to view any of the information that was entered. In this section, you can also see the count of emails that were sent, the date and time of the last email that was sent, and if they have uploaded their ID, for example. Beneficial owners will be reminded every 3 days if they don't upload their remaining information to the auto collection link. Now, let's say there is a beneficial owner that has already been entered into the system on another report, and they need to be entered on this entity too. What you can do is you can type their name here. It will pop up on the right-hand side. Click the plus button, and now you have entered them and all of their uploaded information to this entity. This is essential for saving time when individuals are on multiple reports. Now, if I save these changes, you can see here in the audit log that I had added Rebecca Black to this entity. Another tool that is easily accessible in the Manage Entity screen is the wizard. You are able to open each entity in the wizard. Maybe you need to determine the filing status or get clarity on what criteria need to be met in order to be considered a beneficial owner or a company applicant. Once the owners and company applicants have been added to the entity, you can see that the progress bar has filled to 100%. It's easy to transfer entity profiles to clients for their payment, review, certification, and ongoing compliance management in our secure file platform. This is for the scenario where you don't wish to assume billing responsibility or ongoing compliance management. Meaning, if the owner moves to a new home, they can go into their dashboard and secure file and update a report with their minor changes, all while the users of the Secure Pro will maintain transparency and can see any changes made on the entity. This is important for collaboration if a client needs help. This progress bar at the top can also be seen in the Entities tab. where you can search and filter in ways that make sense for your firm. For example, group by assigned user or report status. You can quickly see which entities have upcoming due dates. If I wanted to see what entities were assigned to Noah, I can go up here and type, and it will filter for those that he is assigned to. In the Owners tab, you can see a complete list of all owners and what entities they are on. You can edit their information here too. You can see information about their automatic ID collection, and you can see a list of all the entities they are on down here. Remember, users with preparer and filer roles can only see the owners that are in the groups they are assigned to. Settings is where you can upload your logo for collection emails and cover letters. You can link a credit card for self-billing on the entities you won't transfer to owners, and you can enable enterprise features here as well. This was just a brief tour of key features that demonstrate Secure Pro's end-to-end filing workflow. As you can see, Secure Pro combines compliance, efficiency, and security in one intuitive platform. If you're ready to get started in Secure Pro, navigate to the Secure Pro tab on our website and select Sign Up. We're also happy to answer any questions you may have by emailing info@securecompliance.us, scheduling a meeting on our website, or calling 605-646-3531. The Secure Compliance team thanks you for your time.